Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Writing Buddha. So today we are going to talk about the book The Best Friend, written by Akash Verma. So as you can see that there is no book in my hand. It is because this book is published only in the Kindle edition. So all the other book of Akash has been published in the paperback version, but this is the only book for which you will have to go on Amazon Kindle and read it. So talking about this book, it is a thriller as per the synopsis of the book, and it involves the story of two friends, Samir and Nakul, and their childhood has been vastly mentioned in the book, and now all of a sudden their friends get separated and now they meet 30 years later in their life when they are professionals and everything. And why do they meet? Because of a murder. So that is how the thrilling aspect of the book comes into the picture. So because the author has written many romantic books, many character based books before this one, so rather than going towards the complete investigation methodology of writing thriller, author has gone towards his old ways of telling a story, and between the story the murder happens, the thriller parts comes in, and there are twists and turns, but mostly this book is a story which involves a murder rather than a thriller, as how author is mentioning it in a synopsis. I did not feel that it is all in all thriller, but it is a story that involves a murder, and the story is about friendship, how it gets broken, how people don't take stand when they had to, the whole scenarios change accordingly. Now when I say that the story is about 30 years back and then it moves forth 30 years, so it is not that author has written it in a series. It is written simultaneously, so both part of 30 years back and the current scenario happens simultaneously. So it is confusing initially, but later on you get the gist of it, that what is happening around it. And most of this current part is about Nakul and his daughter Anna, so that's interesting initially, but later on when it starts boring, author all of a sudden introduces a character named Sandhya, and as soon as she comes into the story, there is a complete boom in the whole plot and in the whole narration of the story. And because each of the characters are spoken in the first voices, so Nakul speaks from his first voice, Anna speaks from her first voice, and Sandhya starts speaking from her voice, and you get to understand perspective of all of them, and now you are thinking if who is right and who is wrong. And that is what Akash Verma has been doing recently with his book. Last week I had reviewed his book You Never Know, that was also done something on the similar lines, and this one is also done something in the similar way altogether. So now there are many factors that author has not been very preachy about, but you will have to understand it between the lines in this story. So one of such important issues that author has mentioned is child bullying, how an incident that happens in a school regarding bullying affects the psychic of a child, that it also spoils his adulthood, his married life. So that is all very nicely mentioned by the author, and if you will connect with it, you will understand how important the issue child bullying is, for which we should actually raise voice and make sure that we don't let this happen around us. Secondly, author also tries to establish the lifestyle of single father, how he tries to nourish her child and who has lost her mother, how he is dealing with it, how tough it is for him. So that is also one of the part that has been mentioned, how a married woman has to suffer because of her husband's nature, which has been the reflection of what happened in his childhood. So that is also very nicely plotted in this book, and you get to understand so much about the psychic of a married woman who does not get a kind of romantic or sexual life that she expects after her marriage. So that is all very nicely explained in the book. Now talking about the drawbacks of the book, I would say that the childhood part of Samir and Nakul becomes very repetitive after a time, where Samir is trying to impress Nakul and Nakul is just using him for his selfish deeds, and that becomes very, very boring. And also why Nakul does it with Samir, except that he is 3 years younger to him, and because he feels little awkward roaming around with him with a junior in this school, except that there is no reasoning given to it, which I did not find very intriguing. Secondly, the father-daughter relationship between Nakul and Anna could have been very more charming, because there was more with that plot with which the author could have played with, but it is not very well handled, and it is just a plain story between a father and daughter. Secondly, there are not very much thrilling aspect into the book. Even when author tries to build up a secret, or tries to give a twist and turn to the story, it does not come in the same manner to you as a reader. You need to jump up from your seat when you are reading a thriller and a secret or a twist and turn is explored or has been revealed, but nothing like that happens with you. Overall, I would say that this is the book that makes you smile, that makes you feel lump in your throat, but does not give you the roller coaster ride that you expect from a thriller. So overall, I give this book a very fine attempt, 3.25 stars. You can go and read it, and actually this book is good for beginners who are trying to read a book into the thriller genre, but they don't want to get into a very hardcore thriller genre because it can get very tough upon them. So they can read this book first, and then they can gradually move towards reading thriller by then picking up Chetan Bhagat's books like the recently released One Arranged Murder, or the one before that, The Girl in Room 105, and then they can finally progress towards the thriller genre, and then towards the foreign authors also. So if you like this review, please like and share this video, and if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe. We need your support as much as possible to let this channel grow and gradually bring more videos to you of different formats also, except book reviews too. So yeah, thanks a lot.